Hi, I'm Karen Perrone. I'm with the Alliance Historical Society, and we're going to be taking a walk in a few weeks called the Freedom Trail from Rodman Public Library all the way to Maple Hartzell Home, taking you through the village, the old village of Freedom. In order to get the best experience from this walk, which will be about a mile in length, we'd like to have you download a special app to your smartphone. Um, and the app is called Clio. So I'm going to walk you through the process and show you how the Clio app will work for you. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is you're going to go to your App Store or Google Play, and you're going to go to your search option and search for Clio, C-L-I-O, your guide to history. All right, once you locate Clio in the App Store, click on that and you'll download it to your device. I already have it loaded on my machine, but you will get an option here to download it. And you want to make sure that you get the one that has this little road and the buildings on it. There's another app that's for lawyers, and we don't want to use that one. Once you have it downloaded, you can go back to the screen where it's located on and select it. And it will automatically use your location settings. If you don't have your location settings set up for Clio, I would recommend that you allow it to use your location while you're using the app. That will let you know that you're in Alliance and that you're looking for tours that are in Alliance. So the first thing that you'll see is a listing of the places that are on this tour that are closest to your location. And depending on where you are, you might see different things. But if you scroll all the way down on the screen to where it says Tours, I want you to click on Tours and then click on Take a Tour. So when this screen comes up, we can either search by location and you type in Alliance, Ohio there, or if you're using your location services, click the one here, the button, the blue button that says Find the closest to your location. So we're going to click on that, and you'll notice that there are several in the Stark County area. And if you're in Alliance, you're going to see Alliance's Freedom Trail Walk listed right here. So go ahead and click on that one. And a listing of the 14 stops that are on this tour will show up. So what you'll want to do is you can even take this tour virtually. You don't have to leave your home, but it'll be more fun to actually get out there and get some fresh air and take the walk. So when you're at Rodman Public Library, which is the first stop on the tour, you can click on Start, and it gives you a map of the area to show you where you're starting your walk. If we scroll up a little bit, we're going to see the front of Rodman Library, and this is using Google Locations, so you can actually pan around the area and see what the front of the library looks like. And then you'll see a few pictures across the bottom here, and you can look at any one of those. So it gives you a look of some of the historical pictures of the area. And then down a little bit farther, we have a backstory telling us about what we're going to be seeing at that stop. There's also a very nice feature here that if you bring your earbuds with you while you're walking, you can actually listen to all of this. You don't have to actually read it on the screen. So if you click this text-to-speech button.
Reservoir. This site was formerly a reservoir, made by damming a spring that flowed through the area. The reservoir was used by the railroad to...
Not exactly the most exciting voice in the world, but we're hoping to add some actual narrations from members of our historical society before the tour. Anyway, you can listen to that. If you don't get the sound, if you're using your smartphone and you're not getting the sound, check to make sure that you don't have the silent mode turned on. Once you turn that off, then you'll be in good shape. And then down here, a little bit further, it gives us some more information and then tells us to click on next, and we'll go to the next stop on the tour. And so you go. Again, you can look around the area, see what else is in that area. Some historical pictures to look at. Your information, and then click on next. And that's all there is to it. Download the app, get the most from your walk, and we hope that you'll be able to join us on September 20th. Or if you can't join us then, use the app and take the walk at any time. Stay safe, everyone, and we'll see you soon.